Hello guys, welcome to Ramta MathSci Exam Clinic. Today we are expressing as log of a single number. So I want to show you this on a calculator. On a calculator you have, let's do this, you have log 3, right? You have log 3 close plus log 5. Right? Log 3 plus log 5. Remember the value is 1,176. Right. I'm going to write it here on the calculator. It gives you 1,176. Okay. Now, let's express this as a single number. So what you see here, okay, what you see here, you see that you have addition of two logs. Addition of two logs is the same as saying this will be log, open bracket, 3 times 5. And what is 3 times 5? 3 times 5 is 15. Right. Now let's bring back our calculator. As we bring back our calculator, we're going to say log 15. All right. We're going to say log 15. And what is it giving us? Look at it. It's giving us 1,176. And that is how you write this as a single number. Okay. From log 3 plus log 5, you can just write them as log 15. Remember, the reason is because you have a rule that says, log m plus log n is the same as saying log, open brackets, m times n. Okay? Perfect. That is it, guys. Bye-bye.